Hi, my name is Erfan, and this is my final project for CS5P's Introduction to Programming with Python. I decided to create an ABG Analyzer for this project. Let's have a quick review of what is an ABG. ABG stands for arterial blood gas. It's a blood test that measures three components: pH, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, and levels of bicarbonate. And we use this test to check the acid-base status of the body, respiratory function, and metabolic balance. So how ABG analysis works. First, we have to check the pH of the blood and see if it's acidic, normal, or alkalotic. After that, we have to see which component of the ABG is driving the pH in that direction. If it's carbon dioxide, then we have a respiratory problem. And if it's bicarbonate, then we have a metabolic problem. After that, we have to check for compensation. Compensation is the body way of trying to correct the pH back to normal. And it's doing that by changing the other component of the ABG in the other direction. And we have to use compensation formulas specific for each condition to see if the body is actually doing that or not. So let's have a quick review of my code. These are normal ABG values, which I put them on the top as a global variable. This is my main function, which coordinates all other functions and print the results at the end. This is my get ABG functions, which collect ABG data from the user and make sure they are valid and within physiological ranges. This is my check primary function, which detect the primary disorder based on ABG values. This function only calls when there is a respiratory problem and asks the user if the condition is chronic or acute for later use. And this is my check compensation function, which maps out each condition to its appropriate formula to see whether the body is trying to correct the issue or not. Now let's do some examples. First, I want to enter a normal ABG. Let's do another example. Let's do another one. And last example. Thanks for watching, and this was my final project for CS5P.